Welcome to the day before Christmas Eve. I'm so excited. I bet you are too. Hoping to see what Santa's going to bring you. I am Jessica Kringle. Of course, you know me as Mrs. Claus, and we have been counting down the days of December by doing a different Cooking with Claus sweets and treats recipe each and every single day. And so we have just a couple of days left in this month and all of these wonderful treats. We've been hopefully keeping up with some of our exercises to make sure that they're not going to our waistline, huh? All right, well, let's find out what we get to make today on the 23rd. Oh, these are some of my elves' favorites. They love these little marshmallow wreaths because these are super fun to make and really yummy to eat. So let me go ahead and do the thing we've been doing all month, of course, washing my hands and getting out the ingredients. I will be right back with you. All right, I've gotten out the ingredients for our marshmallow wreaths. And the first thing we need to do is place our marshmallows in our... Andrew's back. What are you doing? You're wanting to help me cook again, aren't you? All right, I have to use a little bit of Christmas magic because I'm not allowed to touch my elf on the shelf. I can't get him out of the pan in any other way. Well, hello there. Hi, what are you doing?
I want to help you again.
Yeah. All right, you know that we're making the marshmallow wreaths?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are pretty fun, huh? All right, hop down, wash your hands, and you can help me get started. The convenient thing about this is that we're going to use part of the butter in the pan and the rest of it we're going to need later to butter our hands. That'll be fun, right? All right, will you please place that in the pan? We're going to just melt that. It doesn't need to boil. So I'm going to turn on a medium heat so it doesn't get too hot. Our butter is all melted and now we're going to add the marshmallows and we're going to stir those constantly while they melt, and we'll turn this into a syrup. We start with one package or approximately 40 marshmallows. You counted these, right?
Yeah.
And there are 40.
Correct.
All right, let's get those in the pan. I will stir first and then you can stir. We'll take turns. Got it? All right. Have that all mixed together, and next we need to add our food coloring and our vanilla. So we'll go ahead and add these in, and we're going to mix that together until it's really well blended. Next, we're going to add 6 cups of a flake cereal that we're going to slightly crush. Now, you can either use a corn or a wheat. It doesn't matter. It's personal preference, but we're going to put the 6 cups into there. I'm going to just kind of mush them here a little bit rather than crush the whole bag because we won't use all of it, so we might like some for cereal later. We don't want them powdery, we just want them a little bit crushed. All right. We have this mixed really well. Now we're going to go over to the other counter and make these. This is really hot, so we need to be careful. We've got this all mixed together now. Remember I told you we're saving the rest of the cube of butter, and that is to put on your hands. Now, since you're a little person, I'm going to do this part because this is kind of hot and it can burn a little bit. The butter helps not burn your hands as much, and it also helps keep the marshmallow from sticking to them, which is yucky. So we're going to take some of this out and put it here, and then form it into a little wreath. And then your job, Andrew, is to take the little cinnamon candies and decorate each wreath with some of the candies. So go ahead and press them in so that they stick to the marshmallow, and that will help them not fall off when we go to eat them. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. You did such a good job. If you start to find your hands getting a little bit sticky, you can always put more butter on them. This is cooled off a little bit, so it's not too terribly hot. Hole in the wreath there. Those are beautiful. All right, well, we're going to continue working together to finish these wreaths. And then I know somebody's anxious to eat one of them too, huh, Andrew?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope that you are having fun cooking all of these family recipes with me and, of course, with Andrew. We do hope that you'll join us tomorrow as we continue the last 2 days of our countdown before the big Christmas day. I know Santa's getting ready to leave tomorrow, so hopefully you're all reading a lot. Remember last year I taught you that reading keeps you on Santa's nice list. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.